Ihsan, bangun Ihsan! Cikgu datang!
Bangun! Selamat pagi, cikgu! Jangan kurang! Duduk! Cikgu!
Selamat pagi, cikgu!
Selamat pagi. Semua duduk. Murid-murid, ada sesuatu yang cikgu nak katakan.
Apa dia?
Sambutan Hari Guru tahun 2025 peringkat sekolah SMK Luar Bandar nombor 1 Sibu. Tema Hari Guru tahun 2025, Guru Pemaju Reformasi Pendidikan.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I should roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line, the line where the sky meets the sea? It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Guruku, insan mulia, mengajar tanpa rasa jemu, mendidik tanpa rasa penat, mencurahkan kasih sayang sepenuh rela demi melihat anak muridnya berjaya. Guruku, insan mulia, tidak memilih kasih dalam memberi sebakul ilmu buat bekalan anak muridnya di masa depan. Guruku, insan mulia, sedia berkorban jiwa dan raga demi melihat anak didiknya berjaya menjadi insan yang berjaya. Guruku, insan mulia, sedia membantu, sedia memberi, sedia membimbing demi melihat anak didiknya menjadi generasi masa depan negara yang cemerlang gemilang dan terbilang. Kerana guru, semua yang ada di dunia ini sebenarnya bermula dari seseorang yang bergelar guru.
Selamat Hari Guru. Guru Maju Reformasi Syarikat.
Marilah kita sama-sama menyanyi lagu Terima Kasih Cikgu.
Terima kasih cikgu telah mengajar kami.